This is the North Rankin A offshore gas production platform operated by Woodside Offshore Petroleum. It symbolises the thousands of millions of dollars invested in this Northwest Shelf project, the extent to which companies will go in their desire to achieve, and the ingenuity of professional and technical people in their pursuit of the ultimate. But the pursuit of a better way of doing things didn't end when the platform started producing. That pursuit continues today in an environment that demands innovation and improvement in an eternal contest with the elements. Safe, efficient operation relies on thorough, constant maintenance. On a platform such as this, even routine maintenance, cleaning, painting and repairs can be a complex and difficult operation. To inspect, clean, paint and repair the supporting structure beneath the platform deck was once a time-consuming and hazardous job. An intricate web of scaffolding had to be erected to allow maintenance men to work, suspended above the sea, on the multitude of tasks. There had to be a better way, and Woodside found it. The solution was a kind of inverted cherry picker, a crane capable of supporting 2 men and equipment that could be manoeuvred around the underside of the platform and its supporting legs for the purpose of inspection and maintenance. Well, that was the concept, but who could put it into practice? The answer was a joint venture between Axis Offshore Proprietary Limited and Bowra Holdings Limited. Axis Offshore Proprietary Limited is a West Australian company specialising in services to the offshore oil and gas and other resource industries. Under the direction of Clive Richards, a civil and structural engineer with extensive experience in Australian and North Sea offshore projects, Axis produced the design, test procedures and installation, operation and maintenance manuals for the articulated platform vehicle, the APV. Bowra Holdings Limited is an engineering company excelling in the design and manufacture of mobile cranes and materials handling equipment. Its experience with advanced hydraulics and quality control set the company apart from its competitors. Bowra was responsible for the complete manufacture and testing of this unique machine. Their responsibilities included quality assurance and quality control to the very stringent standards required for offshore projects. The APV hangs beneath the deck of the platform from a set of rails which give it lateral mobility. The machine weighs 21 tonnes and the basket can carry up to 400 kilograms. That means that 2 men can work from the APV with their necessary tools and equipment. But it's the APV's wide-reaching manoeuvrability that makes it a significant development in offshore technology. Operating a joystick control in the basket, the maintenance man can move the APV through a full circle, extend the boom between 9 and 20 metres, rise to 30 degrees above the horizontal, and lower it to 60 degrees below. The basket itself can be rotated through 180 degrees, allowing the operator to align himself with his work to the best advantage. In other words, the APV gives the operator complete access to any part of the underdeck and above sea level structure of the platform at the flick of a lever. The 3-part telescopic boom extends and retracts synchronously using a hydraulic cylinder, wire ropes and sheaves. The boom sections slide on nylon pads and are protected from contamination by wipers at the end of each section. The equipment platform houses the power unit, accumulators, hydraulic manifolds and fluid tanks. The pedestal supports the boom, luffing cylinders and equipment platform. And the pedestal is supported by a trolley which spreads the load to 8 main wheel bogies arranged in pairs at the corners of the trolley. The 16 main load wheels run on the vehicle's support rails. Secondary wheels on the underside of the rails prevent the vehicle from overturning when the boom is extended to its maximum under load. 2 of those wheels act as drive wheels for the vehicle. The APV is built from high tensile steel. Because of the marine environment, corrosion protection was given high priority in the selection of paint, metallic and synthetic coatings, and the use of corrosion-resistant construction materials. Because of the extremely hazardous environment, safety devices were given top design priority. The machine is powered by a 40 kilowatt diesel system equipped for operation in hazardous areas. This means it has a non-sparking cooling fan and starter, a water jacket on the exhaust manifold and an exhaust scrubber to prevent sparks, and an automatic overspeed shutdown safety system. The precaution against sparks and hotspots is carried through to other components. The APV has no electrical components and all motion controls are hydraulic. The diesel engine powers 2 hydraulic pumps. One of the pumps powers all of the normal vehicle movements and provides power for the hydraulic control system. The second pump charges and maintains the charging of 10 bladder accumulators. 9 of the accumulators provide an emergency reserve of hydraulic oil in the event of power failure. The 10th provides hydraulic oil for the engine starter motor. If the main power system fails, the operator can switch to the emergency reserve system. This allows him to maneuver the APV basket to an access walkway. The emergency system is supplemented by a secondary driving station on the equipment platform to be used to move the basket to a safe position if necessary. The Woodside Axis Bowra articulated platform vehicle, APV, is another example of innovation and excellence in design, manufacture and operation. Another reason why these companies lead the way in engineering for the demanding requirements of the resources industry.